So you'd like to connect your Instagram or make an administrator to an Instagram account. So in 2026, you still cannot add an administrator directly inside the standard personal Instagram account. To give someone else access without sharing your passcode, you must use the Meta Business Suite. So to get started, the first thing I wanted to do is to go directly into Instagram.com. I'm going to sign in directly into my account that I would like to add another administrator. Second of all is to add into another tab. Of course, we are into a computer, into a laptop to make this process much more faster. The second thing is to sign here into the Meta Business Suite. Once you do have access directly here into the Meta Business Suite, the first thing is to switch to a professional account. If you haven't already, you must convert your account. So administrator can add a private personal profile. For this, I'm going to go directly into Instagram. Make sure that directly into the settings of my Instagram account, you find the left section where you have the section that says for professional account. So inside here, what you can do is to switch between an professional creator account or business account. In this case, I'm going to stick around with the creator account, or you can focus for the business account. Once you have that process already been set it up, what you wanted to do now is to add these administrators directly into the via Meta Business Suite. So I'm going to go and head, of course, into the Meta Business Suite. Once we are logged in here, I wanted to focus here directly into my creative business portfolio. Into my business portfolio, you can create a business portfolio name, your first, last name, a business email address, and create that. Automatically, it's going to be generating you a Meta Business Suite with an actual account that you currently have, whether that will be Facebook or Instagram account. Now, in my case, I already have my Facebook account, so instead of creating another portfolio, I'm going to be importing here my Instagram account connected to the same Facebook account. So this process can be making, let's say for example, that I can focus for my Facebook and my Instagram account into the same account, and that is basically what I wanted to be focusing on. So just hit into the option that says logged in, and just like that, just business portfolio will be added into both into the same business portfolio. Hit into the option that says continue, and just like that, what you wanted to do is to make sure that both your accounts are already been signed in. Now here it says that it's going to be asking us for checking out our actual email just to make sure that the verification code is actually working really fast. So in my case, I wanted to add the one-time code that was sent to my Gmail account. This is totally personal, so take your time to do this section. Once you have access directly into this element, I'm going to focus for the option that says settings inside my Meta Business Suite. And directly here into settings, I'm going to be focusing for the option that says people. If you don't find that element, what you can do is to go for all the tools. Directly into all my tools, I wanted to focus directly into, once again, my authorizations and verifications. Usually here should be appearing now the people that I wanted them to be appearing them on. So here I have my business information. I go for the option that says people, and directly in here what you wanted to do is to look out for the option that says invite people. Here you wanted to enter the email address of the person you wanted to give access to. So you enter, for example, this email. I go for the option that says next. And here what you wanted to do is to look out for the option that says full control, or what you can do is to, let's say, have the advanced options, like for example view and manage. In my case, I'm going to stick around with the option that says access, full access. I select the business asset I would like to assign. Here it should be appearing your Instagram account. Hit for the option that says next, and the invitation will be appearing directly inside there. Just like that, the other user will be appearing directly into this specific business. Now the problem here is that this specific business is no longer working, so what I need to do is to generate a new one. But basically this is how it should be done when you wanted to generate that specific element directly into your business assets. So hopefully guys, it was a very useful information for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to see more great tools of how you can actually get started. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully with all of this being said, well, we can all see you guys next time. See you soon.